Free bug out bags for Memorial Day? Heck yes. Here's how. I'm former CI Officer Jason Hanson. Right here is my #1 bug out bag, the favorite one I have and I use. And I'm giving some away for free because guess what? I just recorded a new amazing training. It's the ultimate bug out bag building training, 12 modules, and I just recorded it and finished editing it less than 7 days ago. So the brand new training, and as part of that training, when you check it out, I'm gonna give away my main bug out bag for free. Caveat, this is until we sell out or until Memorial Day at midnight. So it's only a few days because obviously I don't have that many bug out bags to give away for free. And if you want to get it right now, I just dropped my thing. Hold on one second. I'm coming right back. See how fancy I am? Go to spy36.com if you want to check this out, if you want to grab one of these and check out the training. So here's why this is my favorite bug out bag, why I use it. I'm going to tell you some of the things I do. It's also trusted by the Air Force, the Air Marshals, the Border Patrol, and a bunch of police departments. I was trying to think what else. Okay, so I have been very blessed to have a lot of amazing training with the CIA, to be in a lot of places and do things. Yes, I'm being vague on purpose. And I know how important it is to have the right bug out bag. In my garage, I literally have boxes full of bug out bags. I should just throw them away. I don't know why I can't depart with them, but I don't use them because they're hot flaws. This right here is the bug out bag I recommend, the bug out bag I use, and the bug out bag I'm giving you for free if you go ahead and check out my new training at spy36.com. So, what do you want in a bug out bag? Well, one of the critical things is, make sure, hold up so you see it, is you want these MOLLE pouches here, and there's one in the front, and you want to be able to take them off. Meaning you want to have MOLLE pouches where you can quickly rip off. This right here in the front, hopefully you can see it, this is a bigger day pack. And the reason is sometimes you may want to leave your pack behind and you may have to go travel and do something. For instance, one time I had to leave my pack behind with somebody while I had to go get them help and get them rescued. So also very important when you're putting together your bug out bag, my medical supplies, such as my CAT tourniquet, my combat application tourniquet, my Israeli bandage, I'm trying to think what else, my other combat gauze, you know what I'm trying to say, my combat gauze, my quick clot, that all goes here in these pouches, very easy to get. So this bag, I do have obviously stuff buried at the bottom, but that is not my medical items, which I may have to immediately get. So I put that here because that way I can open it up, I can get to my quick clot, tourniquet, whatever it might be. In the 12 module program, I walk you through everything I do. Every single piece of gear, every module you must have. And in this day and age, you absolutely should have this. I've relied on my bug out bag numerous times and it's kept me out of a jam. Again, some stuff I can't go into. So you obviously have to have the hip belt. That's a no-brainer to keep the weight off, lift off your shoulders, but you gotta have good padding and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, I think that is enough. Again, for a limited time, until Memorial Day at midnight, you can get a free bug out bag when you check out my new 12 module ultimate bug out bag training. Make sure to go to spy36.com. We'll put the link below too. That's spy36.com. God bless you. God bless America. I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day. As for me, we are going to be road tripping. And I've got 7 young kids, because I didn't have kids until after I left the CIA. And road tripping with 7 young kids is about as fun as it sounds. So you'll probably have a more enjoyable Memorial Day than I say that in half jest. Okay, all right, I'm out. Adios. Go to spy36.com.